Tired of drowning in data? I'll show you how to add interactive filters in Qlik Sense so you can zero in on exactly what you need in under 90 seconds. First, open the Qlik Sense app you want to add filters to and navigate to the sheet you want to modify. Make sure you're in edit mode. You'll see the edit button in the top right corner. Click it. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see the Assets panel. Locate the filter pane object. This is what we'll use to create our interactive filters. Simply drag and drop the filter pane object from the Assets panel onto your sheet. Position it where you want your filter to appear, usually at the top or side for easy access. Once you place the filter pane, it'll prompt you to add a field. This is the data field you'll be filtering by, like product category, region, or date. Click the Add Field button on the right Properties panel. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying all the available fields in your data model. Scroll through the list and select the field you want to use for your first filter. For example, let's choose product category. Great! The filter pane now displays all the unique values within the product category field. Users can click on these values to filter the entire dashboard based on their selection. You can customize the appearance of your filter pane in the Properties panel on the right. Adjust the title, colors, and even the display style to match your dashboard's aesthetics. Now, exit edit mode by clicking Done Editing. You can now interact with your new filter. Click on different product categories to see how the rest of your dashboard dynamically updates, giving you a focused view of your data. You can repeat these steps to add multiple filter panes for different dimensions, allowing for even more granular data exploration. Now you can dive deep into your data and uncover the insights that matter most.